What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Nick.
My name's Nathan.
And this is Full Throttle Cars. Today, we are taking one of the final sort of test drives in the 350Z. I'm going to jump in it by myself, do some driving. Nathan's going to follow behind, so in case anything happens, he'll be there to swap out if I can't get it going. But with that said, we'll jump right into it. We got Nathan in the driver's seat, and we got a warm start on the 350Z. Sounds pretty good, actually, especially for a stock exhaust. All right, guys, so we are in the 350Z on the technically my second self trip with nobody else in the car. I took just about a couple mile trip previously, not on camera, but we are in the car now. Nathan is following me close behind just in case anything happens. But this is the first kind of real world test. I had a couple issues previously on another trip that I took with somebody else in the car, but fortunately it didn't affect my ability to drive it. It just needed to address some things. So I did that, and now we are back in the driver's seat. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we have solved all the issues. I also hope you can hear me okay. I'm filming on the GoPro right now. I think it should be okay. But yeah, we're just going to jump into it. That's a pretty smooth shift right there from second to third. Still just trying to learn the manual stuff too. I mean, completely new at all of this, not even just with the hand clutch, completely new to manual as well. So it's a learning process on two ends. So it's going to take a lot of practice for me, but I think we are getting it pretty close to being complete, and I am pretty happy right now. Running in here with nobody else in the passenger seat, and it's working. So fingers crossed it works the whole trip, but yeah, we'll see what happens. Alright guys, so most likely what I've done is, I didn't know exactly how I was going to frame this video, but you probably just saw a bunch of me driving with some music overlaid to it. I'll do a little bit of talking here now, just kind of my thoughts going around here. So far, it has been pretty darn good, this system. There's been a couple of spots where it's more so I don't know manual, especially starting from a stop. That's been really the biggest issue, but I haven't installed it yet. Fingers crossed I don't. But I also have noticed the pulley is getting a little bit loose. I might have to adjust the code a little bit to change the amount of steps it's going or something. It might be slightly over rotating or something and pulling it a little bit more than it should and kind of unraveling the pulley. I'm not 100% sure on that. I'm going to try to make some adjustments to that. But otherwise, so far, so good. Can you swap me? It broke. Can you swap? It didn't break, it just came off the thing and I can't get it back right here. Okay. I'll just swap you.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, geez, Nick, you were tiny.
So we're pulling off in the car right now. Unfortunately, the cable is broken, but basically that all Nick really has to do is rewrap it around, and so that's why I am driving right now and not Nick using the actual hand clutch system. Just filming a few drone shots right now, so we'll probably pop back and forth between in the cab and on the ground.
Alright guys, so that is going to do it for this video today. If you enjoyed, be sure to go down, drop a like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye guys.